Larry Ivy here with another video from LJ Stone. And I want to talk about the several upsides to window replacement. Some of them are helping your wallet, and some of them are helping you keep your peace of mind by reducing the noise from outside. All this is possible via low emittance, argon gas, or krypton gas. So how is argon gas used in windows? Well, double pane or triple pane windows consist of 2 or 3 glass panes separated by spacers. These spacers create an insulating gap. This gap is then filled with argon gas. This gas has a lower thermal conductivity than air, which means it is less prone to heat transfer. The use of gas helps minimize heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This results in lower energy consumption for heating and cooling, leading to a reduced energy bill. Now, soundproofing is something that most people don't think about when it comes to window replacement. Now, the denser gas helps to reduce the sound transmission through the window, resulting in a quieter indoor environment. Now, krypton gas does a better job, but costs a little bit more. It is particularly useful in windows with narrow profiles. Its higher insulating properties allow for thinner profiles while maintaining good energy efficiency. Argon gas can be used in narrow profile windows as well, but krypton gas just provides superior performance in this regard. So, if you are looking to replace your windows, save money, have a quieter house, and upgrade your house's curb appeal, call LJ Stone today at 1-877-544-2957. Once again, 1-877-544-2957. If you're interested in winning $10,000 towards your next home improvement project, visit us at ljstone.com/contest. Once again, that's ljstone.com/contest.